Hello guys, in this tutorial video I will show you how to reset your Honor 70 smartphone. If you have problems with your device, factory reset can effectively solve the problem. By performing a reset, your Honor 70 smartphone will be restored to its original settings and any problems will be resolved. For how to reset the Honor 70, watch this video until the end. First, open the Settings menu on your Honor 70. Scroll down and tap the System and Updates option. Next, tap the Reset option. Then select Reset Phone option. Then tap the Reset Phone button. Confirm by tapping Reset Phone button. Now wait for the Honor 70 smartphone to complete the factory reset process. Once the reset is complete, you can use your phone like new.